Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Canon in D on the violin, step by step. First, let's get acquainted with the basics. This beautiful piece is in D major, meaning you'll encounter F sharp and C sharp throughout. Start by getting comfortable with your open D, A, and E strings. Many versions begin with simple notes on the E string, so focus on clear, steady tones for these initial phrases. This foundational work is crucial. Next, let's dive into the main theme and its rhythm. Canon in D is written in 4/4 time, providing a steady pulse. The melody often starts with a repeating pattern of quarter and eighth notes. Pay close attention to your bowing, ensuring smooth transitions for slurred notes and precise movements when crossing between strings. Consistent rhythm is key to capturing the piece's flowing character. As you progress, you'll encounter beautiful melodic variations, often incorporating faster 16th notes. This piece frequently utilizes both first and third positions on the violin, so practice shifting smoothly between them. Pay attention to dynamics, adding subtle crescendos and decrescendos to shape the phrases. These technical and expressive elements bring the music to life. Finally, let's discuss effective practice strategies. Always begin by practicing slowly with a metronome to build solid rhythm and intonation. If a section feels difficult, break it down into smaller, 2- or 4-measure chunks. Listening to different professional recordings will help you understand the piece's overall musicality and inspire your own interpretation. Consistent, focused practice will lead to a rewarding performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.